In the separation and divorce, the division of property is called equitable distribution, and that is the division of marital property. Marital property is any property that comes into existence from the date of marriage through the date of separation. So if you owned any property prior to marriage that you brought into the marriage, that would remain that spouse's separate property, so long as they didn't do anything during the marriage where the other spouse maybe contributed to the value, increased the value, or if you take property such as land, a home that you own, and during the marriage you redeed or deed that property over to you and your spouse, that then is a transfer of that property to being marital property. What's not marital property is separate property. So that's the property that you bring into the marriage. Could be a retirement account that you had prior to when you got married. You get married, you work at that same job during the marriage. The money that was in that account when you got married is your separate property. Any money that was put into that retirement account during the marriage is marital property. Separate property also includes any inheritance that one of the spouses receives during the marriage, so long as they keep it separate. If you get money from an inheritance and you take that and you put it in a joint bank account and then spend it, of course it's gone. But if you bought something with it, such as a car or property, and you titled that in joint names, it's not separate property anymore. It's considered a gift to the marriage. If you take that money that you've inherited and you put it in, maybe you put it in a joint bank account, but you don't do anything with it. Or you can prove that during the marriage, the balance of that account never went below whatever you put into it. You can trace that out and bring that out as being your separate property.